Hey family, the holidays are quickly approaching, and it could be the most joyful time of the year, but it can also be the most expensive time of the year. So I'm about to drop various ways that you can earn extra money during the holiday season. And these just aren't ideas. These are actual services that people are looking for the most during this time of the year. So make sure you watch all the way until the end, because it's time to make extra money that you can use to jumpstart your financial goals. Because you got to remember, usually during the holiday season, demand is high. And when demand is high and you meet the demands, you'll definitely be profitable. So check it out. Comment below. Make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Check it out and let me know what you think. Catering holiday dishes. We all know that during the holidays, food is the centerpiece of it all. Family is in town and we're sitting around eating and bonding and playing games and going down memory lane. But not everyone wants to cook, nor do everyone has the time to cook everything themselves. So that's where catering holiday dishes come in. So if you meat on the grill, cater the meat. And if you're dope with baking treats, start getting together a catering menu of cakes and treats. And if you're really good at making sides like green beans and potato salad or mac and cheese, offer a bundle package and call it holiday sides, where they choose from 3 sides. Now you just met the demands of so many people who don't want to be in the kitchen for hours cooking everything themselves. And by you catering the meat or catering the treats or catering the sides, you just reduce people's time in the kitchen. So if you like to grill, create a menu called Bold and Flavorful, where they can pick their meat selection. And if you're really good with making sides, create a menu called Heat and Eat, where they pick their side selection. And catch this, the menu name is your selling point, because customers can realize, man, if I order side dishes, that's less time in the kitchen for me. So all we really have to do is heat and eat, literally. And if you're good with baking treats, create a menu called Santa Snack Bar, where you have many treats for them to pick from, like cookies and brownies and finger food like treats. My point is, get creative and use the cooking gift that you have. House cleaning and holiday prep. Most people are hosting out-of-town guests and holiday parties or family dinners, and they're stressed. Not only are they trying to make sure the food is right, but they got to make sure the home is right and that it's nice and tidy for their guests that's coming in. And during the holidays, cleaning the house from top to bottom is overwhelming in itself, especially when you're getting ready for guests coming in. And let's not talk about the garages, because there are so many garages that are so cluttered and junky. And most times during the holidays, the garage is widely used to set up tables to eat, or the fellas go out there in the garage to sit and chill and watch football games that's on. This is the opportunity to offer holiday deep cleaning services, where you offer a package like Essential Spaces package, where you clean only bathrooms, bedrooms, and living room. Or to clean the whole house, call it a Total Home Reset package, where you clean the whole home. And if you're great at organizing only, create a package for garage cleanup. And if you know how to pressure wash, offer pressure washing services, because everyone hosting wants their home externally to present well, especially before they hang up the Christmas lights. Offer services to pressure wash their home, their driveway, and their walkway for a set price. Because overall, the end goal is to save people time and stress, and you're doing the things that they're not simply good at, nor do they want to do. Holiday light installation or tree decorating services. Now, I'll be honest, not everyone has the ladder or the time or the patience to hang Christmas lights and to put up the Christmas tree. And there's honestly some people that are simply afraid of heights. Now, of course, with doing this, you have to make sure that you have the proper coverage and the proper insurance coverage to protect yourself and to protect your clients. But hanging lights during this time of the season is definitely a way to earn extra income, because the demand is high and most people start putting up their holiday decorations either right after Halloween or right after Thanksgiving. And on the flip side, some people don't even want to wrestle with decorating their own trees, because not everyone has the eye for that level of decor and design. So if you have a gift for decor, and if you have a gift for design, or if you have a gift for interior designing, tree decorating just might be for you, especially for older couples or busy professionals or even single parents. So put up your tree in your home. Put up your Christmas lights on your home. Take pictures and videos of it and post it on your social media page to start advertising and marketing for it, so you can start taking bookings, because this can bring you in hundreds just in one weekend. Now listen, everyone can relate to this, including me, because no matter how many lists you make before you go to the store, you always end up forgetting something. And it's always that one small thing that makes the biggest impact, and that can ruin a dish. Like you got everything to make the cake batter, but you forgot the eggs. Or you got everything together and you're ready to grill the meat, but you forgot the charcoal. It's always something that someone forgets or they overlook while they're already in the grocery store. So that's where Instacart home delivery come into play, because oftentimes it's even more inconvenient for the person to stop what they're doing to go to the store to pick up what they're missing, because they already got something else cooking on the stove or in the oven. And the dreadful thought to turn everything off just to go stand in line for 1 or 2 things is overwhelming in itself. So doing Instacart grocery home delivery services is where the demand during this holiday season will be so high. And not only that, some busy professionals just don't have the time to full out grocery shop, because they're either running the office, got to go pick up the kids, got to go to the airport because this person is flying in, this person is flying in, and the last thing they have time to think about is grocery shopping or even making a grocery list. So grocery delivery service tend to increase significantly during the holiday season. Look around your house. How many items are sitting there collecting dust? Whether it's clothes that's in the closet that's in great condition, unopened gadgets or furniture pieces or kids' toys or home decor that you're just not using. Someone out there is searching for exactly what you have. And here's the thing, during the holiday season, people are hunting for gifts at a discounted rate. So take clear quality photos and videos of what you have, because taking clear videos of the items helps to sell it quicker because it gives better visual than a one-dimension photo ever could. Write a short description of the condition of it, include the dimensions and the measurements of it, and post it on Poshmark or Facebook Marketplace or maybe even your own social media platform, because you're helping someone save while you earn money, and you can take that extra cash to get to your financial goals that much more quicker. Now, during the holidays, a lot of families are traveling and they can't always take their pets with them, because flying their pets along with them can get very expensive, especially during the holiday season where flight tickets are already higher than normal. Because again, the demand is high for traveling. And not only that, some people just may want to get a break from their pet so they're not spending their personal time being attentive to their pet during their holiday time off with their family. So if you love animals, offer to pet sit during the holidays while families are away. There may be a variety of services you can offer during the holiday season, like VIP holiday pet sitting, where your services include house sitting, or paw walks where you take the pet walking. And as a bonus, you take pictures and videos and send it to the owner throughout the day for updates. Just get creative. Start with the people you know, then expand it out by posting it in community Facebook groups, or you can maybe even send it to your family in your friend group chat. Now, this is a big one, because families love taking Christmas PJ photos and couple holiday photos or even theme photos for holiday cards. So if you have talent with the camera or even with video or video editing, this could be a great opportunity for you to earn cash. And you don't need to have 5 years of professional experience with a $5,000 camera. All you really need is great customer service, quality equipment that produces clear quality images, and an eye for creativity. And you can be as basic or as advanced as you want, and you don't have to have or own a photo studio. Use outdoor spaces like parks or eye-catching outdoor scenery spots that gives you the great natural background for the fall themed photo, because many parks may already have holiday lights and decor already up. There's your background or backdrop scenery right there. And some people may want indoor shots at their own house in front of their own fireplace. There's so many creative ways during this holiday season to capture moments in frame with so many different families. Whether they want to capture moments of them in the kitchen as a family cooking for the holidays, because they want to hold on to the memories. And don't sleep on some businesses who want photos or videos taken of their holiday operations, because they want to post that on their social media pages and their business pages to market for the holidays. Or perhaps they want to take an employee group photo to post on their business website. You can create content package tiers where it includes 2 hours of video content for small business owners as they're working behind the scenes in their warehouse or in their showroom, packaging orders, printing labels, and hauling their orders to UPS or to the post office to ship it to their customers. You can even create a photo package called the Full Sleigh, which can include a full 2-hour photo session for a family that also includes 2 locations. So as a new photographer or videographer, you'll capture the demands of 2 components: holiday memories with families and holiday marketing content with small businesses and entrepreneurs and solopreneurs or influencers or content creators. There's so many ways to make extra money during this holiday season. Now, today's date is what? Where's my phone? It's October 15th. Take the time in the next couple of weeks to create your services and your customer process flow. Don't just focus on earning extra income, because you gotta also make sure that you are offering good customer service. Make sure your communication is clear. Make sure you're upfront and honest with people of what you can and what you cannot do. Make sure you have the proper insurance coverage depending on whatever services that you want to be offering during this holiday season, because there's nothing worse than to have great talent but horrible customer relations protocol. Always be professional, because when your gift matches how you deliver their services, then word of mouth will work in your favor, because that's the best marketing free tool you can ever have. That's how you stay booked and busy. So make sure your extra earnings are going towards your financial goal, like paying off debt and paying off credit cards, building your emergency fund, or simply even enjoying the holidays guilt-free, debt-free, and stress-free. So instead of saying, I can't afford this, I want you to ask yourself, what skill, what service, or what resource do I already have that someone needs right now? Because that answer could be the difference between end of the year in debt or starting the new year one step closer to financial freedom. Make sure you share this with at least 10 people that you know. As always, I'll be dropping more videos like this every Wednesday. Always remember, your mindset is the key to unlocking your financial freedom. It's time to leave behind what's comfortable for what's possible. All we have is now, so start now. See y'all next week.